Practice a little bit about the exponential equation with the basis form. Question 1. You will have 3 to power of h in the left hand side, and the other side will be 3 to power of 5. So very easy for figure out h will become to 5 for this one, right? The second one, you got 9 to power of h, and the other one you got 81. So 81, I will convert that in form of the indices with the base number is 9. I will have 9h here equal to 9 square because 81 equal to 9 square, and then h will be equal to 2. Exercise 3, you will have 4 to power of h equal to 4 to power of 5, and then it's quite easy for you now. H equal to 5. Exercise 4, a little bit harder. You got here is 2h, and then the other one will be 8. How can you work with this one? The left hand side, you got the indices in form of base number 2. So the right hand side, I will convert 8 become to the power number with the base number is 2. 2q here and 2 to power of 2h. After that, these two exponents, you have the same base number, and then you can set up the equation between the power number. 2h will equal to 3. That's why you got h equal to 3 over 2. From the exponential equation, is convert become to the linear equation. That's much easier, right? A lot. And examples are exercise 5. Exercise 5, you got here is 4, h minus 1 and o equal to 8 in the left hand side, equal to 16 in the right hand side. Okay, the base number is 4, so 16 should be converted to exponent that have base number 4. So 4 square will be here, and for this one, h minus 1. And then you will got h minus 1 have to be equal to 2. After that, you got h equal to 3. H equal to 3. A little bit harder. 2 h plus 5 equal to 2 to power of 9 minus 3h. How can you solve with this? Because these two indices, you have the same base number. All of them are 2, so you can set up the equation between the power number only. H plus 5 equal to 9 minus 3h, and linear equation very easy for you now. Move minus 3h from right to left, become this one, and 9 minus 5, and then 5h will become to 4. After that, you got h equal to 4 over 5 by this one. Yeah, that is exercise 6. Another question, you got question 7. 7 to power of 2h plus 1 equal to 7h plus 3, and then multiply with 7. Oh, sorry, I don't think I should do this one first. Okay, that's like this one. These two have base number is 7, so just put the power number become to the new equation. 2h plus 1 will be equal to h plus 3, and then 2h minus h and 3 minus 1, and then you got h equal to 2. It's very easy, right? How about question 8? You got 2 to power of h, 2 to power of h. The other one will be 4. How can you solve with this one? You can see this one is 2 to power of h and 2 to power of h multiply together, and this means h plus h like this one, and about 4, this is 2 square. The left hand side and the right hand side have the same base number. It means you can set up the power number will become to new equation. H plus h is mean 2h plus 2 here, and then very easy for figure out h have to be equal to 1. H have to be equal to 1. Yeah, that's not too difficult. That's very basic, fundamental about indices. Question 9, a little bit harder. 3h times 3 to power of 4, and the other side is 3 to power of 14 multiplied with 3 to power of 4 minus 5x. A little bit harder. Look at the left hand side first. You got 3 here, and then 3 will combine these two exponents. You will got the new one is x plus 4. The next one you got multiplication is mean 3 to power of 14 here plus 4 minus 5x in this one. And the left hand side and the right hand side have the same base number. You got single exponent. And after that, you can set up the equation about the power number x plus 4, 14 plus 4 minus 5x like this one. And then x plus 4 equal to 14 plus 4 minus 5x. The left hand side and the right hand side also have 4, so you can cancel this like this one and move minus 5 from right to left hand side. It's become to plus. Here is 14 and here is 6x, and 14 here, h will be 14 divided by 6, and then divide by 2. You got here is 7 and here is 3. Yeah, that's it. That is the first way you can solve this equation. Thank you so much for watching this one, and you can move to another harder level of exponential equation.